margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space till I landed on the record that my grandma.
Hey, hope everyone is doing well. Today we're going to be installing this kit from Flow Brackets Australia, and it's going to fix my biggest annoyances with this car. Let me show you. So in Australia, when they mount number plates, they have decided to put this really annoying box around the outside of the license plate. It doesn't matter what license plate you have on this car, whether you have the slimline like I do, or you have the standard plates, you can always see this box, and it's super ugly, so let's fix that. Alright, so this kit is sold in two parts. You have the bracket, which is car specific, so this is going to replace the box that's currently on the car, and then you have to get the correct plate bracket to suit the type of plate you have. So I have the slimline plates, so I got the slimline bracket. Okay, so in here we have some instructions on how to install it. We have the bracket, so this is super nice, aluminium I believe. It's machined really well, and then it's got the Flow Brackets logo in the middle there. You've got some Allen keys, so it comes with a 3mm Allen key and a 4mm Allen key for the install. And on the end here, I think we've got some hardware. So in here we have some double-sided tape and some mounting hardware. So there's some screws. And more mounting hardware. Bracket box. We have some more instructions, and we have our brackets that are going to go onto the car. So the only extra tools we should need is a 10mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. So Flow Brackets Australia actually has a video on how to install this, so if you are doing this yourself, you can go watch that, but we're just going to start by taking off the license plate. Okay, so I was wrong before, it's actually an 11mm socket, not a 10mm, so then this bracket can just come off. So there's actually two little tabs on the bottom that hold this in, so you just need to pull it down and then you can take it off. Okay, so now we're left with these two ugly holes in here. So the brackets are going to go into these holes, and then we're going to be able to mount the license plate onto those. Okay, so now we can take our brackets, the 2 bolts supplied, and the 4mm Allen key. So these are labelled right and left. So there's 2 little tabs on the side that are going to slot into the front bumper. So we need to slot those in first, and then we can push the bracket in properly. Just like that. And then we can screw in our bolts. Alright, so this right one looks like there's still a little bit of excess 3D printed material in the sides that's just stopping it from going in, so I'm just going to get a little pick and take that out so that it's going to slot in properly. Okay, so I just took that little bit of material out, so now it should just slot straight in. Okay, so now we can remove these 4 bolts and then bolt our bracket onto this. Okay, so still with the 4mm Allen key, these 4 bolts can come out. So the instructions say that we should be using these 2 here. There's lots of adjustment on it, so if it doesn't quite line up, we can just use one of the other holes. So once you put them on loosely, you can just line it up in the middle. So on these instructions, they give you 3 different options on how to mount the license plate onto the bracket. We're going to be using option number 1 from the second diagram, and it's just going to be 4 bolts, 1 in each corner. Okay, so with the 4 bolts, there's just 1 in each corner. Just like that. I'm super happy with the fit and finish, other than that little bit of extra material from the 3D printing, which I just picked out with a screwdriver. Works really well. It cleans up the front of the car nicely. Super easy to install. It took me maybe 5 minutes. So yeah, definitely recommend. Again, they're an Australian company. This is only really relevant if you live in Australia and they put the box on the front of your car. They do make these for a whole bunch of different models of cars as well. So I'll leave a link to their website in the description if you want to pick one up for either your GR86 or any other car that you have.